Why most realtors fail on social media, and how to fix it in 2025. You're a busy realtor trying to grow your brand online, but social media? It feels like a second job you never asked for. The content's exhausting, the editing takes forever, and worst of all, no one's engaging. Sound familiar? Pain point number 1. I don't even know what to post. You're not alone. Most agents overthink it. You don't need viral dances. You need value. Your audience wants to know the neighborhood, the lifestyle, and the listing through your voice. Second pain, editing takes too much time. Exactly. You're not a content creator, you're a closer. That's why smart agents outsource their video edits. Tools like CapCut can help, but if you want it done for you, we do it all. And finally, I post, but no one engages. That's because your content lacks structure, captions, and strategy. You need scroll-stopping hooks, bold overlays, and formats designed for Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. That's where we come in. At Brand Locally, we help realtors build their presence with done-for-you video editing and social media management. You shoot it, we edit, caption, brand, and schedule it, so you can focus on selling. If you're ready to show up like a pro and stop guessing what works, check the link in the description, or comment "Brand Me" and we'll help you get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Brand locally easy and affordable.